So you're going to reach out to a bankruptcy attorney, you've looked one up online or someone's referred you to one. In your initial call or initial meeting, in order to make that advice from the attorney as efficient as possible, these are sort of the things, the information that you're going to want to have when you make that phone call or that meeting with the attorney. You're going to want to know what your household gross income is. So if you're married but only one of you possibly are filing, we still need both incomes. If there's fixed income like Social Security or disability, we'll need to know that as well. You'll want to have a general idea of what kind of assets you have. Major things that the attorney is going to ask about include if you own a house, maybe the value of the house, how much you still owe on the house if you do. If you own a car, if there's a co-signer, try to look up Kelly's Blue Book or NADA, the value of the car, have an idea what the value of the car is and how much you still owe on it, essentially who you owe. And then other than that, you're also just going to want to have a general idea of how much you owe, other than your cars and your houses, if you have credit cards, medical bills, if you owe the government, if you owe taxes. For that first meeting, that first conversation, you're not necessarily going to need to know the exact amount. You're not going to need to know all your bills, but the attorney is going to be able to advise you better based on your ability to ballpark how much debt you have. Obviously, if you've ever filed bankruptcy before, you're going to want to also know that the year that you filed. The attorney can typically look that up if you're not 100% sure, but if you filed before, you're going to want to let the attorney know. Thanks.